Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make this special recipe which is loved by all the kids. That is puffed rice lollipops. This is so simple and easy to make with very few ingredients. But before we move on, click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to GreyPot and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. To start with, heat a pan and add some ghee. Once the ghee started melting, add melted and strained jaggery. It is always better to melt and strain the jaggery before using it, or if there is any impurities in that, it will just ruin your dish. So what I used to do is, whenever I buy jaggery, I used to melt it and strain it and keep it in refrigerator for later use. Now add some cardamom powder and mix it. And if you feel your jaggery is a bit thick, you can add a dash of water. Once it is melted really well, add the puffed rice. Mix it really well. You can add more puffed rice if required. Once it is well coated, allow it to cool down for some time. Now wet your hands with some water. Take a cookie cutter. Now add a handful of puffed rice in it and press it really well. Now demold it very carefully and insert a lollipop stick. Press it and keep it aside to get it set. You can use different size shapes of cookie cutters to make these lollipops. And if you don't have these cookie cutters, you can simply make a ball out of it and insert a lollipop stick. Once it is ready, you can add some chocolate syrup or some more melted jaggery on top and add some sprinklers to make it more attractive for the kids. So our puffed rice lollipops are ready. So make these lollipops along with your kids and make your kids' vacation more colorful. So definitely try this recipe at home. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and leave me a comment if you like my recipe. You can watch more videos from our channel GreyPot. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to click the bell icon to get more notifications. Thank you.